Level A2 English Quiz. Pause for more time. 10 questions. Let's get started. 1. Thomas is, then Maria. Tall, taller, tallest. Thomas is taller than Maria. 2. My friend lives in Canada is a teacher. Who, which, whose. My friend who lives in Canada is a teacher. 3. I like swimming hot days. At, on, in. I like swimming on hot days. 4. Monica has to get early in the morning. On, up, down. Monica has to get up early in the morning. 5. The window was locked, so I open it. Will be able to, wasn't able to, can. The window was locked, so I wasn't able to open it. 6. He often to classical music. Listens, listening, to listen. He often listens to classical music. 7. We at the club are usually meeting, usually meet, have usually met. We usually meet at the club. 8. That's the woman. Daughter is famous. Who, where, whose. That's the woman whose daughter is famous. 9. Is a dairy product. Cheese, flour, meat. Cheese is a dairy product. 10. If you study hard, your test this week. Passes, pass, will pass. If you study hard, you will pass your test this week. How did you do?